Hey guys, Jesse here. So today I am solo traveling to New Mexico by myself. I'm going to go climb the Guadalupe mountains out in West Texas. I'm actually really excited for this. We've had this trip planned for a while. I'm supposed to go with my brother William. He got sick and couldn't join me. I'm solo traveling, which is honestly something that absolutely terrifies me. We're gonna go climb to the top of Texas, guys. Come on. So, this is the parking lot for the Guadalupe Mountains Trail. From the look of the map, I believe the trail is right here, and it's gonna hike me up all the way up there, and that's not even the summit. The summit's behind this. You can't even see the summit because I'm too far away from it. I've got like 30 bottles of water packed. I got a water camel pack. Got a ton of food, a bunch of snacks. I got a knife, I got lights. I feel super prepared for this, yet somehow horribly underprepared. The rangers even said like I'm starting out super late and it's gonna be super hot coming back down. But I got a hat just for that. So let's get this started. I am halfway up the mountain right now. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna make it to the top, or I'm gonna die trying. Already, it is breathtaking. It's terrifyingly steep. I've seen snakes, I've seen horny toads, I've seen lizards. I've seen like 3 groups of people so far, and every person I've seen has been super nice, super encouraging. Man, the views from up here are just absolutely breathtaking though. Alright, let's get back on trail. Riding horses out here. Cliff Riders dismount and lead. What the f is riding horses on a mountaintop? close to the summit now. Can't believe we hiked from pretty much down there. That's wild. Almost to the top. Greetings from the top of Texas. I did it. Made it to the top. It almost killed me. Like literally almost killed me. But here I am. Man, the views up here are just absolutely breathtaking. I met some really nice people. Everyone on this mountain has been super encouraging. Every time I pass someone, they'd be like, "You're almost there, just a little bit further." Every single time it was a lie. But it's been a blast. It's been an awesome trip. I'm really glad I did this. I'm really glad I pushed myself out of my comfort zone. Top of the Texas to you. If you like this and you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at the Red Eyed Pirates. I'll link that below. Yeah, life's a garden, baby. Dig it.